Okay, good evening, everyone. It's Thursday evening, so I'm making this watch list for Friday. Today was a fun day, boring day, fun day. So because we were actually able to watch the market for most of the day, not like the other day. Anyway, overall we had a good day. We had some bad news come out on AKAM, which was another company that was lowering their prices on their, I guess, on their products, and they compete with AKAM. So that kind of made everyone feel there was going to be a price war. So AKM sold off after we were up nice on it, and closed around 30.09. I took my profits in it, or whatever I had left. Actually, it was down for the day, but I was up from the other days, so I overall had a profit. But until the news straightened out there, and until it comes back into my chart formation, I'm going to just stay away from it. But happy to tell you right now, even though I have 10 minutes, I want to get this done fast. I have some new good picks for you. Picks like the old picks that we've been making money, the Pfizers, the Martha Stewarts, the NMXs, the AKAMs, everything basically that I'm putting in front of you, and that we're acting on is going up. It's just a problem of taking the profits off the table before the market turns around or some kind of weird news comes out. So we're going to work on that. We're going to work on taking more profits. All right, so the hot topic is one I got into today. I feel it's in a bottoming pattern. Jesus, everyone knows Hot Topic, the clothing store in the mall. Apparently they're becoming a little more hip. They're selling Xbox games. They're also selling this new line of like kind of a big, large girls clothing line called Tourage or something like that. And sounds like a good idea for me. So I looked at the chart. Here's the 60-minute chart, which I really like. We had them run up, but now the last 2 days that we had some sell-offs, and actually 3 days of sell-offs, this has been flagging out here and holding its own. So that's very bullish for me. So I look at the daily chart, and you know what? We have a nice downward trend line. We have a kind of a W here. Not really, but anyway, we're consolidating here. I still think this one's going higher into the Christmas season, and this might be a turnaround play. So I am taking a small position, 200 shares into that. Citibank pulled back a little today. I took a position earlier this morning, or I actually had a position which was up, and we added to position, and it's just in this beautiful trend line. The news came out the other day of some they were lowering guidance. All the bad news was out of this one. I could feel this one going higher. We just have to break through this 48.60, and we're on our way. So I'm holding on to that. That one I could sell, though. I mean, if I need to free up some cash, because this one I don't believe will be a fast mover. I have time to get into it if it approaches back up to 48.60, which I like to do. Bank of America got in it on today. Nice move in it, and I held it overnight as a momentum play. I think we'll end up. Let's see how we ramped up into the close, all this volume that came on, so it was really good. I think it had something to do with Kramer coming on and pushing it at 2:30. But overall, the daily chart looks good. We're breaking new highs. I probably won't overstay my welcome in it. I'll probably be out of it tomorrow either way. If it goes up or down, I'll probably be out of it. I tried to get into it for a play, and that's it. Qualcomm, I also got into this one today, and I'm holding it overnight. It looked good. We actually, look at this nice inverted head and shoulders, and we're breaking out of that right now. And right at the next line, there's a shoulder, head, shoulder, and we're actually breaking out of that shoulder right now. So let's see if we can continue with the strength in this one. We had some volume coming today too, so it looks good. And next one, Garmin. Took a 50 share hold in Garmin overnight at the close. We actually caught a couple bounces in Garmin, very nice today. But I'm holding Garmin over the close for a gap up. Deutsche Bank came out and defended Garmin, saying it was overdone move. Remember, they pulled back from $20. They were $20 all the way back to 100. 20 point move. So I only got 50 shares. Maybe I got 100 shares. I forget how many. I think I got 50 shares. Actually, I could look right now. What is it? Garmin, 50 shares. I have 50 shares of Garmin holding over into the close. So I'm hoping for a 2-point gap. Just take $100 right off the table before the market even opens. All right, IMMR, holding 200 shares here. Just it's actually flagging very nice. I like this stock a lot. It's one of my best bets. And looking at the daily chart, I'm going to have to get off here a second. Wait, 158. Oh, actually, have a few seconds left. But look at this daily chart. This thing is flagging out beautifully. It made a big pop up here on some news about the iPhone and the touch screens and stuff like that, and it just looks good. If I move back a little, looks like we had a high about $20 there, and now we're at $17. So I think we're going to break up high on this one. 200 shares, not a big deal. Just, you know, everything adds up. Pfizer, we got out of that one today. I got out of that one. I got to stop saying we. I got out of that one today at, you know, around $25.50. Felt that it made its run. We pulled this one right out of the flag perfectly. We got in it down here right when it was breaking out. Came back, retested this upward trend line, and it was off to the races. I'm out of it. I could always revisit it. Here's a new one on the watch list. All right, E-Trade Financials, $13. Looks like a good one. I mean, E-Trade's a brokerage firm, day trading brokerage firm, or, you know, not really day traders use it, but made that lower low in the credit and mortgage scares. Actually made a lower low. It actually gapped down and then gapped down. So I think this is near the bottom over here. I like that we were down today. I would like to watch tomorrow very closely. I have my watch list to watch it very closely tomorrow and act on any kind of pullback. If I get a little more pullback, I think I might start taking a position back here, down here. And if we have some strength, I'm probably going to take a position too. So I'm going to watch it and at one point take a position in it. All right, I want to continue this because I have a lot more to say on the next video. And so I hope you listen in.